All right, y'all. What's up? It's Trevor back again. We're getting these heaters out today, or at least this episode. So, better run to Home Depot. I already got this thing out, but I don't know what's in here. I'll pop this off, head to Home Depot, get an angle piece that I can connect and run into itself. We're gonna cut it. We're just gonna stop it right here. And I'm gonna take these, run them into each other, and that's that. So after we do that, then we'll have everything out of the way. I'm gonna start sanding these rust spots. Not too much rust in here, but sand these rust spots out. And get everything primed. Get this floor painted. And yeah, that stuff will be done. We're gonna have to paint the walls, paint the ceiling a little bit with some primer. But I'm gonna wait till I do the roof raise because all of this will be wall and it'll probably be up to here. So stay tuned. Getting it done. All right, we found it. So this is what we're looking at. Only got one, cause there's a right angle on one of the heaters that I'm gonna reuse. And this thing was $30. So not trying to pay $60 to do this. We're gonna be cheap. But it should definitely work. I feel confident. Now let's put it on. There's a little cooling in there. Prop this up. So just out of the way. Okay, so in theory, got our piece off. Gotta connect this here and divert it back into itself. Clamp each side and call it a day. So. Alright, so we got our hoses cut. We got our doohickey made. And about to insert this here, clamp it down, and insert the other one. Got this one, get it on as tight as you possibly can. I think this is gonna be good. So here we are. We got our hose. Make sure this doesn't bind up. You don't want that to pinch, but that should be fine. And now our heaters are deleted. These are the wires for the heaters. These are coming out as well. I gotta clean them, but this is my heater deleted. heater delete. Like and subscribe. If you want these heaters, it's too bad. I already threw them away.